So I'm doing a tire sticker project which will go on the Pirelli P0s on the R8. Here are the stickers, the P0s. Pirellis are already in the garage. And they provide you instructions online when you're ordering these on how to order what you want. So kind of a really cool process. They tell you to get clear packing tape, push it up against the tire, and the tape picks up all the dirt around the lettering, and then you get the front Pirelli. You get the front P0, which is curved, whereas the Pirelli is more straight. And then the rear P0 here. I know it might not come up great in this camera view, but it's clear from my view. And then the rear Pirelli as well. So I'm going to go ahead and start cleaning off the tires and getting them prepped for installation, which is part of the process. As you can see here, they send you this. They also include some tire shine. I purchased the larger tire shine, and I purchased this cleaner here as well, which is acetone. So I'm going to go ahead and put some gloves on right here and use this towel and have at it to get the tires cleaned and then install them. And once they're installed, I'll show you how it looks. That's it. Very simple project, very cool. The whole package runs anywhere from $75 up to $140, and you can find a coupon code online if you search, and they'll ship them to you. I had them within about 4 business days of placing my order, so they were very quick on turnaround too. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and apply one of the Pirelli stickers. I literally had to go over this about 10 times each Pirelli logo with cleaner. So it is very labor-intensive project, but that's okay because it's going to look cool. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I cleaned the back of these letters. I sprayed them with acetone, which came with it, and dabbed it. And then I'm going to put a moderate amount of glue on the letters. Actually, I use my flashlight so I can see a lot better. Alright, we got some of the lettering on. I gave up on doing a full instructional on how to put glue on stickers, so that's really all it is. You put the glue on, you push the sticker on, and then you pull the backing off. Not tough at all. The hardest part is just cleaning them. Literally I had to go over each Pirelli 10 times, and I'm about to start on the P0, so I will check in with you when that's done.